Croeso i Dylunio Cynnyrch yn Bangor yn y Prifysgol fan hyn. Mae'r myfyrwyr wedi bod yn brysur dros y mis dwytha yn gweithio ar brosiect efo Menter Môn, efo hybu Gwlan, Gwnaed a Gwlan. Ac yn fan hyn, mae'r myfyrwyr wedi bod yn gweithio ar Dylunio Cynnyrch newydd sydd yn gwneud defnydd o flan i hybu y defnydd hynny, i gynyddu y defnydd Gwlan. Ac mae'n debyg fel da chi wedi gweld, mae yna nifer o wahanol ddyluniadau fan hyn, gwahanol syniadau newydd o sut mae dod â Gwlan i mewn i gynnyrch ella'n cyfnewid y deunyddiau sydd i mewn cynhyrchion ac i hybu'r broses.
So I'm Oliver, I'm working on a mudguard and I'm currently looking at using the different properties of wool mixed with composites, so either as actual just like wool material or as like a felt. So I'm working on creating a mould at the moment, which I'm going to make out of fiberglass, and then I'm going to cover that around it and put the resin and mould blend into it.
Helo, enw fi Gwlan a dwi'n gwneud surfboard fins. Byddwn yn cael greu allan o resin a Gwlan. Hein di'r moulds yma yma, jyst yn cael prepario i wneud top.
We're working on a combination of wool with seaweed to make a bioresin that allows it to be formed into multiple shapes. We're planning on using this in a range of items, from a bowl such as this, but as well as across an entire household.
I'm making a car wing mirror out of wool composite. The main basis behind my idea is car mirrors made out of carbon fiber can be also made out of wool fibers, so they don't really have to be as strong as carbon fiber.
I'm Bryn Richards. I'm making a gym attachment to basically showcase the strength that wool should be used for. So this is it using Welsh wool, and then this is what the whole project itself will look like. So obviously this will be held by the user, and then this will then attach to the gym equipment, and then obviously rows, you can have like bicep curls, yeah, pretty much anything.
Hi, so I'm making a tool handle basically based on futuristic designs. So I've chosen this one and I've made a cab mold of this, and then I'm going to fuse it with resin using a vacuum former to engrave it and then stick a tool handle onto it, so it'll be a screwdriver.
So here I've got a wool composite board that's being turned into a phone case. So this will be the back plate here, which has been created using a vacuum forming, and then it's been machined out to create the back face of the phone case, which will then be moulded into the final phone case using silicone.
Making a bike helmet using a mix of resin and wool together to create a cast of a helmet.
I am making an egg basket using resin mixed with wool and packed down with wool that has been compression molded